Seeing a login error when trying to sign into Netflix on your iPhone? This usually happens due to app cache issues or account sync errors with Netflix's servers. Here's how to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Change network. Sometimes Netflix kind of bans your IP, so you may not be able to log in with either mobile data or Wi-Fi. First, swipe down to open the control panel. Tap on Wi-Fi and keep mobile data off. Try to log into Netflix with it. If that doesn't work, swipe down again. This time, turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. Try to use Netflix with it. If that also doesn't work, try to use a VPN. Go to the App Store and install a reliable VPN on your iPhone. After turning the VPN, you can log in properly. But if that doesn't work, the problem is likely app cache. So here's what you can do. Solution 2. Offload Netflix app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Check iPhone date and time. Go to Settings, then find and open General. Scroll down to Date and Time. Make sure to turn on Set Automatically. If it's already turned on, turn it off and then back on again. Incorrect time settings can cause token mismatches with Netflix servers. And last but not least, you should also check your credentials. Go to the sign in page. Let's say you were trying to sign in but you had some problems here. Make sure caps lock isn't on. Or if possible, you can use a notepad app or something similar to type out your username and password. Then you can copy paste it. Sometimes a mistake in the credentials is the true culprit. Hopefully after following these steps, your Netflix login error on iPhone should be gone. If you're still seeing the same message, try waiting a few hours. Sometimes it's just a temporary server issue.